What is a stable bot? Well, it's a trading robot that I developed from a successful trading strategy, and I automated that strategy and built an algorithm around it where this thing trades for me and I don't have to stare at charts all day. The reason why that's important is because investing in 2022 has not been easy. In fact, most people have lost money this year, unfortunately, and this has brought a lot of relief and stability to my portfolio and to my clients' portfolios. If you want to learn more about how you can license trading software directly from us, I've run hedge funds, I worked for the largest bank inside the United States in asset management. I've been in the investment world for 10 years now, and I understand that this year has not been easy. It's a huge relief when you get something that actually can consistently perform. And I can tell you, you're going to want to see this case study. So just click below, carry on to the next page. I'll see you on the next page, and we'll go over the case study and how these things actually print money.